Hi everyone, this is Avery Willenborg. I want to talk about the website Walling. It is basically like a cork board, but for your computer. It's really great because it will help you organize ideas, and especially if you're working in a group, you can all work together to complete tasks. So when you log in and sign up for this, it will bring you to this page. And this is basically a wall that the website has already created to kind of get you started and show you what you need to do and learn how to use the app. So right here it has basically what Walling can do to help you organize projects, ensure teams are aligned and working together for the same goal, and a lot more. Some of the basics, what I really like about this is you can create all sorts of different bricks. That's what these are called, bricks. You can create new ones and then you can make them look any way you would like to have any content you would like in it. So the basics, you can double click anywhere to add a new brick, but there's also over here you can click add a new brick and you can just type in whatever and you can write what you'd like. You can add to do tasks, you can create a link to something. And once you do a task, what's really cool is you can click it and then it has it down here as you've completed it, and you just keep clicking until you're all done. Um, you can also unclick, which is awesome. So also something that's really cool is you can invite people to your wall. So if you're working together as a group, you can use this, invite people, and you can invite any team member you would like, or even your teacher to connect them to what you're working on. You can share your final product with anybody you'd like, which, say, if you wanted to make a blog post about what you're working on, you can share this to your blog. Um, Something else that's really cool, I went over here and I actually created my own first little wall, and it's a to-do list. So I would like to use this for my project-based learning unit. And so I did just a couple little bricks that have what we would need to start doing to get that done. So what I would want my students to do is create blog posts. So I just made a list here of all of the different topics I would want them to make posts about. And of course, when they're done, you can hit completed. What's also really cool about this is you can assign sections to people. So if you had multiple people on this with you, like group members, you can be like, oh, I would like so and so to work on the blog post. So you could assign it to somebody and they know that that's what they're supposed to be working on. Um, you can also put due dates. So if you know your teacher wants you to have this done by a certain date, then you can always go ahead and do that. Um, all right, along with this, I also have planning events. So what we would need to get done to plan the shelter animal event at the end of the year to try to connect people with different shelter animals. So a big part of that is going to be advertising, and I think, yes, I have advertising on blogs. So obviously that's something that we would have to put in a bunch of different places. A blog post, maybe on social media, maybe sending out flyers with families. And this is just a great way to collect your thoughts and see everything that needs to be done. So along with this, we have different ways you can break up sections. You can add new sections with whatever you'd like. You can add pictures and all that. Over here, you can see all of the walls that you have. So right now we just have the to-do wall and the welcome wall. Um, there's also example walls to show you different ways things can look, which I think is really interesting. Um, So I really feel that this is a great website to use, and I think it's going to be a perfect fit for my project-based learning assignment. And see here, they even have Chris is working on this, John is going to be working on this, and Stacy's working on this. I think that's really interesting how you can break up stuff like that and see what's some ideas, progress, reviews. So, um, just looking around this website and seeing different people's ideas and different ways you can work things out, I think it's really interesting. Um, I'm definitely going to be using this throughout my teaching career, and yeah, I hope you found this interesting. Thank you.